Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020. Today we continue with our biology lesson, and today's lesson is on the greenhouse effect. So we are going to try to explain it to a beginner and also see if they can understand the concept. So without any waste of time, let's continue. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed. The Earth then emits heat, infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases trap some of this heat, keeping the Earth warm. How the process works. Sunlight, shortwave radiation, enters the Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's surface absorbs the energy and heats up. The Earth emits infrared radiation, heat, back towards the atmosphere. The greenhouse gases absorb and irradiate some of this heat. The rest escape into space. Major greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, ozone. These gases trap the heat in the atmosphere. The importance of greenhouse effects are: it keeps the Earth's average temperature around 15 degrees Celsius. Without it, the Earth would be too cold, around negative 18 degrees Celsius. It is also essential for supporting life, which are plants, animals, and humans. The human impacts on greenhouse gases are: human activities have increased greenhouse gases, such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, deforestation, agriculture, and industrial processes. And this leads to enhanced greenhouse effects, which will cause global warming. Effects of global warming are rising global temperatures, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels. More extreme weather, which are droughts and floods. Disruption of ecosystem and biodiversity. In summary, the greenhouse effect is a natural and essential process. Greenhouse gases trap heat and keep Earth warm. Human activities are intensifying this effect, causing climate change. Reducing emission can help slow down global warming. Call to action. What can we do? We can reduce energy use renewable energy resources, plant more trees, recycle, and reduce waste. What small action can you take today to reduce your carbon footprint? Think about it. So let's try to explain what is greenhouse effect to a grade 5 learner or a 5-year-old plus. Here, that's how we're going to start our lesson. We start with the question, why is our Earth warm? Like a blanket. This is a lesson about the greenhouse effect. The sun warms the Earth. The sun is like a big heater in the sky. It sends light and heat to Earth every day. This makes our Earth nice and warm so we can live here. Earth sends heat back. The Earth soaks up the sun's heat during the day. At night, it tries to send some heat back into space. But not all the heat goes away. Earth's blankets, which are the greenhouse gases. The air around Earth has special gases. These gases hold on to the heat like a blanket. This is called the greenhouse effect. The blanket helps us. This heat blanket keeps Earth warm enough for trees, animals, people. Without it, Earth would be too cold to live on. But too many blankets. People are adding too many gases into the air. It's like giving Earth too many blankets. This makes Earth too hot, like sweating undercover. What can we do? We need to plant more trees, use less electricity, don't waste water, ride a bike or walk. The earth says thank you. When we take care of the earth, it takes care of us. Let's keep our earth just right, not too hot and not too cold. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.